True excellence is born of an uncompromising pursuit of detail. The VSGO R&D and design team wields technology as its edge, constantly pushing beyond industry boundaries. From material selection to structural innovation, from ergonomics to aesthetics design, every product undergoes thousands of rounds of testing and optimization. We believe that only cutting-edge technology can give rise to truly exceptional photographic equipment. The brilliance of technology must be carried by refined craftsmanship. At VSGO's modern manufacturing base, every process is precisely calculated, every detail strictly controlled. In dust-free workshops, cleaning products are created in an absolutely pristine environment. In precision sewing rooms, every stage of each camera bag embodies craftsmanship. In CNC machine centers, every edge and angle of tool products is executed with flawless accuracy. From raw materials entering the factory to finished products leaving it, 28 quality inspection procedures and 360-degree comprehensive quality monitoring are applied. With standards that are nearly exacting, we ensure that every VSGO product can withstand the rigorous demands of all kinds of photographic environments. Hardcore quality is not a slogan, but a belief embedded in every stage of production. From Shanghai to the world, VSGO's brand footprint spans 6 continents. At the NAB show in the United States, at the IBC show in the Netherlands, and at major professional exhibitions worldwide, we present to the world the strength of intelligent manufacturing from China. Cross-industry collaborations with international automakers such as Tesla and Volkswagen, and deep partnerships with Sony, Nikon, and other top global camera manufacturers allow VSGO's technological appeals to permeate an even wider range of scenarios. From high recognition by professional media to organic sharing by users around the globe, VSGO, with the confidence of a Chinese brand, is shining on the global stage. The ultimate meaning of technology is to serve people. We focus on every usage scenario, listen attentively, and respond with care. We value every piece of user feedback, becoming both a creator of trend-setting photographic gear and a guardian of the passion for photography. At VSGO, we uphold values of honesty and openness. We create platforms for our employees to grow. What we pursue is not merely commercial success, but becoming a global brand that is loved by users, respected by the industry, and trusted by employees. From 2004 to today, VSGO has continued to explore and to break through, all for everyone who loves photography. Let us together capture freely, create instantly,